Divide using long division. Now, when I set up polynomial long division, here's my factor. Okay, here's my dividend. And before I even do that, make sure everything's in order. Make sure there's no p's missing in between, because if there was, I'd have to put like whatever, 0p squared or whatever it is, but no p is missing in between. So p to the fourth plus 5p to the third minus 11p squared minus 25p plus 29. And then we begin the horrible process that is polynomial long division. P times what is p to the fourth? P times p cubed is p to the fourth. Take that p cubed and multiply it to the entire factor. P to the third times p is p to the fourth. P to the third times 6 is 6p cubed. That's positive. Now, we're going to subtract the entire row, which means flip the signs of everything. So you become a minus, and you become a minus. You will always cross out, and 5p cubed minus 6p cubed is negative p cubed. Drop down 11, negative 11p squared. Repeat the process. P times what is negative p to the third? Minus p squared is. So you take that minus p squared and you multiply it to the factor. Negative p squared times p is negative p to the third. The same thing here, that will always happen. Negative p squared times positive 6p is negative 6p squared. Subtract the entire row, which means you flip the signs of everything. You will always cross out. And negative 11p plus 6p squared is going to be negative 5p squared. Drop down to minus 25p and repeat the process. Like and subscribe. P times what is negative 5p squared? P times negative 5 is negative 5p is negative 5p squared. So multiply negative 5p to p. That becomes negative 5p squared. Multiply it to 6 as well. So minus 30p add the entire row, or subtract the entire row, which means flip the signs of everything. You will always cross out. Negative 25p plus 30p is 5p. Drop down to plus 29. Repeat the process one more time. We're running out of space, so thank God we're almost there. P times what is 5p? 5. So multiply 5 to 5p, so you get 5p. Multiply 5 to 6, which is 30. Subtract the entire row, which means you flip the signs of everything. So minus, minus, you will always cross out, and this gives you negative 1. So I don't like to say remainder negative 1. I like to say minus 1 over p plus 6. Whatever that number is, whatever your remainder is, it's going to be plus that number, or in this case minus that number because it's a minus sign, over the factor. So our answer is going to be this guy up here. Yeah, look at that. Isn't that nice?